So many institutions and companies are offering small and short-term loans for Christmas, which can be tempting to spend or suspend more, actually, or place yourself in debt. Should I buy now, pay later? Or don't buy at all? Here with expert financial advisor Jermaine McDonald, CEO and coach of Learn, Grow, Invest Limited. Morning, Jermaine.
Morning, Jermaine.
Morning, guys.
Welcome. Some people can't buy now, though. Some people, you need something in the house. I mean, you need a fridge, and you need it, not want. You need it.
Yeah.
And you just don't have the $100,000. So the only way to do it is either borrow or go to the store and say, I want that, and I give you $10 every week or $2 every day or something like that. What's wrong with that?
Well, there isn't necessarily anything wrong with it, because the key thing that you said there is need.
Right.
Right. So if in the same case that you mentioned, your fridge is down, you don't have a place to store your food, that's a need. When we have needs, we have to handle them differently. So if you need a fridge, the first thing that I'd say is find the most affordable fridge that you can find. And if you can't pay now, find the best terms, right? Because not every store is going to offer you the same rate to pay later. So store A might offer you pay over 3 months at X rate, pay over 6 months at X rate. And sometimes if they have monthly payments, you may think, well, it's only $5,000 or $10,000 per month, not realizing that over the lifetime, you're paying maybe 2 times the value of the fridge. So it really depends on the terms and what you're getting for what you'll be paying.
And I think that's the key. That's the key, to work it out.
Yes.
I don't think a lot of people work it out.
Yeah.
I think we just say, listen, I need some, I like this, I need this, and then I go and purchase. But I don't think long-term about how it will affect me.
That's because sometimes we don't think about the true cost of ownership. Sometimes the item itself may incur a different cost. Like a car, for example, you have to now put gas in the car. You have to insure the car, you have to service the car. So the cost of the car won't just be the payments for the car, it's the total cost of everything that you have to spend on.
Now, go back to what I said earlier about needing as opposed to wanting. So if I need it and there's nothing wrong with what I did because I needed it,
exactly,
what would be wrong if I did just want it and do the same thing?
Well, so wants, the main thing that you want to think about with a want is that you're not putting yourself in a position of debt or unnecessary debt to fill a want, right? Because a want means it's something that maybe we're filling some need for. Exactly, a want means we can't do without it. So let's say we choose to buy now. In most cases, when we buy now, we can get a better price by getting a discount. Because if I walk with cash and say I want this item, I may be able to get a better price on that item if I pay cash. Versus if I'm paying later, I may be paying more than the item is worth.
So it's 70,000 for it. If I buy it cash, then give me a 20%, so I pay 50,000 feet. But if I put it on a layaway plan or whatever, I end up I pay $100,000.
Yeah.
What's the difference?